In this tutorial, we want to draw this logo here in Inkscape. I'm using Inkscape 1.0. So we start by going for a rectangle and square tool, and then we draw something like this. Okay, now with this draw, let's give this this color here. I would choose this color here, give it this color here, and then we go to, with this selected, go to edit, and then go to clone and go to create tiled clones. Now we want to create some clones, say about 6. So go to shift, and then we are going to shift it in the Y direction, but we want that there are spaces in between, and we want the space to be equal to the this thing here. So like this one here, the next one, a space which is equal to this, and then another one. So that's why the shift Y put 100% of this size, and then come here and put 6 here, and then do create. Now I would close this so you can see. Now with I would, with this selected already, go to shift and select this, and this, and go to path combine. Now we have this as a piece. Now take this, you can delete this if you want. You can go to right click and delete. You can also, with it selected, just press the delete button on your keyboard, or you can also go to edit and delete here. Now we do a duplicate of this by going to edit and then duplicate, and the duplicates, let's give it this color here. Now let's look at the duplicates here. If you have this, we want to rotate, so press again to get a rotation handle. No, but we want to skew it a bit, so maybe come here rather, and then move this until you, if it's difficult for you to get it exactly, because we want this to lie on the one behind this one, these colors lying on the lighter colors there. You can enable snapping by going to enable snapping, and then you press enable nodes, paths and handles. And what we are interested in is this, is snap to caps nodes including rectangle corners. Now with this already selected, go to and then move it so that it snaps nicely, in case the rotation was not snapping nicely to there. Okay, now we go to, with this already selected, go to shift and select this, and then go to object and then do group, so that we have this in one group. Now we go and here and take our circle tool, and then we go to shift control to draw a perfect circle like this, and then we pick it and bring it somewhere here. So where I'm placing it, you can place it depending on how, let's see how, depending on how you want your shape to be. You can go to, let's go to object, fill and stroke, and then you can reduce the opacity for you to have an idea when you do your cut, how, because we are going to more or less cut this into this. So in case you don't want this shape and you want some other shape, you can be moving your circle around, you understand. Let's see here, in case you can't see well, maybe I change it. I don't know whether this is visible, because this is your circle, and depending on how you want it to appear, you'll be moving the circle around here to get more or less the shape that you think you want to see. I want to see something like this. Maybe I want it to be joined there, so I place it somewhere here. I see it. You see the design is already more or less there, and then I go to select this and go to shift and select that and go to object, clip and set. Now this is what comes out of it. So this is how you can produce this logo in Inkscape. Thank you for watching, and please help me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Bye.